City of Lakewood's now putting an end to their outdoor warning sirens. They're doing this toward the end of the year. The city is going to fully transition to an emergency notification system called LookoutAlert. You get texts or emails. Lakewood Police say the new system is not only giving real-time updates, but it can notify each person in Lakewood directly. They're calling this an improvement compared to the warning sirens, which only reach a limited area. Here's the one catch, though. To get these alerts, you have to sign up. Again, it's called Lookout Alert. You can do that online or you can download the Smart 911